Good morning, students. Let us begin the next chapter, polynomials. Now, here are some algebraic expressions: p square minus half p square plus p, m square plus 2n cube minus root 3 m raised to power 5, 6. These are all the algebraic expression. Now consider the each term of the expression p cube minus half p square plus p, m cube plus 2n cube minus root 3 m raised to power 5, 6, and state the power of each variable. Now in the expression p cube minus half p square plus p, powers of p are 3, 2 and 1 respectively. Now in the expression m square plus 2n cube minus root 3 m raised to power 5, the powers of the variable are 2, 3 and 5. Now if you take this expression 6, here 6 can be written as 6 into 1, and 1 you can write it as x raised to power 0. Therefore the power of the variable is 0. So in all these algebraic expressions above, the powers of the variable are either positive integers or 0, that is the whole numbers. So in any algebraic expression, if the powers of the variables are whole numbers, then that expression is known as polynomial. 6 is also the polynomial. 6, then minus 7, half, 0, root 3. These are all the constant numbers are called as the constant polynomial. 0 is also the constant polynomial. Now the next question is, are this root y plus 5 and 1 upon y minus 3 are the polynomials or not? Now root y plus 5 is not a polynomial because root y, how you will write down y raised to power half plus 5. Here the power of the variable y is half, which is not the whole number. Then 1 upon y minus 3 is also not the polynomial because 1 upon y minus 3 is equal to y raised to power minus 1 minus 3. Here the power of the y is minus 1, which is not a whole number. Now the question is asked, explain why these expressions are here. This one, is every algebraic expression a polynomial? No, no, all the algebraic expressions are not polynomial. Now for example here 1 upon y minus 3 is algebraic expression, but the power of the variable y is minus 1, so it is not a polynomial. Then every polynomial, it is an algebraic expression. This is a true statement. Now let us see now, based on the number of terms, there are three types of polynomials. Now consider the first example, 2x 5. There is only one term in the polynomial, so such polynomials, they are called as monomials. Then x raised to power 4 plus x and m square minus 3m. There are two terms in the polynomial, so they are called as binomials. Then 1 upon 2y raised to power y square minus 2y plus 5, then x cube minus root 3x square plus 5x. There are three terms in the polynomial, so they are called as the trinomials. So based on the number of terms in the polynomial, we have three types of polynomial: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now these polynomials, they are written as p is the function of x, or you can use any letter of the alphabet in small case. So q is the, and whatever variable is there, that variable is written down in the bracket. R is the function of y. So accordingly, for example, p raised to power, p is the function of x, because this is polynomial, it is in the variable x. So this is x cube plus 2x square plus 5x minus 3. Q is the function of m, m square plus half m minus 7. R is the function of y, y square plus 5. Now let us see the degree of the polynomial in one variable. Now in this polynomial 2x square x raised to power 7 minus 5x plus 9, which the highest power of the variable is 7. So the degree of the polynomial is 7. So the highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. Now the degree of the polynomial 2x raised to power 7 minus 5x plus 9, it is 7. Now what is the degree of the polynomial 10? 10 you can write it as 10 into 1, this is equal to 10 into x raised to power 0. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial 10 is 0. Now, so the degree of any non-zero constant polynomial is 0, means minus half, 1, 4, 3 by 2. All these are the constant polynomials. So, its degree is 0. And the degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. Now, 0 is the 0 polynomial. Now next let us see what is the degree of the polynomial in more than one variable. Now the highest sum of the powers of the variable in each term of the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. 3m cube n raised to power 6 plus 7m square n cube minus mn is the polynomial in two variables m and n. Now degree of the polynomial is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So what we see, sum of the powers when you take here you get 9, 5 and 2. So the highest power is 9. So 9 is the degree of this polynomial. Now here is write an example of a monomial, binomial and trinomial having the variable x and the degree 5. Means the highest power of that polynomial you will take it 5 and accordingly you will write down monomial. Monomial means only one term, binomial means two term and trinomial means three term. Now types of polynomial we will see based on the degree. Now these are all the polynomials in one variable and depending upon the degree, whether it is 1, 2 or 3, the polynomials are of three types: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and the cubic polynomial. Now let us take this example: 3x minus 1 and 7y. Degree of these two polynomials is 1. So such polynomials, they are called as the linear polynomial. Now standard form of this polynomial is what? Ax plus b, where a and b are the coefficient and a is not equal to 1. Then say take the second one, 2y square plus y plus 1 and minus 3x square. Degree of this polynomial is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial and standard form is what? Ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are coefficients and a is not equal to 0, because if a is equal to 0 then the square term will not be there and that gets converted into a linear polynomial. Now consider this one: x cube plus x square plus 2x plus root 3 and m minus m cube. Degree of this is 3. So this is the cubic polynomial and standard form is what? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are coefficients and again a should not be equal to 0. So here we can say the polynomial is a n x raised to power n plus a n minus 1 x raised to power n minus 1 plus dash 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 plus a a2 x raised to power 2 plus a1 x raised to power 1 plus a0. This is the polynomial in x with degree n. So an minus 1 dash 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 a2 a1 a0 are the coefficients and an is not equal to 0. Now the standard form, coefficient form and the index form of the polynomial, let us see. Now consider this polynomial x minus 3x square plus 5x plus x raised to power 4 is a polynomial in x, which can be written in the descending powers of the variable as x raised to power 4 minus 3x square plus x plus 5. This is called the standard form of the polynomial. But in this polynomial, there is no term having power 3 of the variable. So, we can write it as 0x cube. It can be added to the polynomial and can be rewritten as x raised to power 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 5. So this form of the polynomial is called as the index form of the polynomial. Now one can write the coefficients of the variable by considering all the missing terms in the standard form of the polynomial. So x cube minus 3x square plus 0x minus 8 can be written as, write down only the coefficients in a round bracket separated by the commas. So 1 minus 3, 0 minus 8 and close the bracket. So this form of the polynomial is called the coefficient form. Now the polynomial 4, 0, minus 5, 0, 1 can be written by using the variable y as 4y raised to power. Now here total number of coefficients are how many? 5 are there. So subtract 1. So that becomes 4. So degree of this polynomial is how much? 4. So when you are using the variable y, so the coefficient of the first term will be 4. Variable is y, and since the degree is 4, power of y will be 4 plus second coefficient is 0. Then variable y degree will be power will be how much? 3 minus here minus 5 y square plus 0 y plus 1. So this is called as the index form of the polynomial. Now consider the second example. Write the polynomial in the standard form. Now this polynomial here, write it in a descending powers of m. 3m raised to power 5 plus 5m cube minus 7m plus 2. Now write it in the index form by considering all the missing terms with coefficient 0. So 3m raised to power 5 plus 0m raised to power 4 plus 5m cube plus 0m square minus 7m plus 2. Now write it in the coefficient form. 3, 0, 5, 0, minus 7 and 2. Now degree of this polynomial is how much? 5. So here this way you can write down the coefficient form, index form of the given polynomial. Now let us see the practice set 3.1. Now state whether the given expressions are polynomials or not, and then you have to justify. Now y plus 1 upon y, this is equal to y plus y raised to power minus 1. Now since the degree or the power of y is minus 1 is not a integer, is not a whole number, therefore it is not the polynomial. Then 2 minus 5 root x is not a polynomial, as power of x is half, which is not a integer. So x square plus 7x plus 9, this is the polynomial. Then fourth one, 2m raised to power minus 2 plus 7m. Then next here, 2m raised to power minus 2 plus 7m minus 5 is not a polynomial because the power of m, that is minus 2, is not a whole number. Then 10, this is a polynomial. Now write the coefficient of m cube in each of the following polynomial. Now the first polynomial is m cube, coefficient of m cube is 1. Then second one, minus 3 by 2 plus m minus root 3 m cube. The coefficient is minus root 3. Then minus 2 by 3 m cube minus 5 m cube plus 7m minus 1. Therefore, coefficient of m cube is minus 2 by 3. Now write the polynomial in x using the information monomial in degree 7. X raised to power 7, this is a binomial having degree 35. Then this one trinomial having degree 8. X raised to power 8 plus 4x square plus 2x. Now this here any examples you can write. This is just for the understanding I have written down. Now next is here write down the degree of the given polynomial. Now the first polynomial is root 5. It's a constant polynomial, so the degree is 0. Then x raised to power 0, the degree is again 0. Then x square degree is 2. Then root 2 m raised to power 10 minus 7, the degree is 10. Then 2p minus root 7, degree is 1. 2y minus y cube plus y raised to power 5, degree is 5. X y square plus xy minus 2, so the degree is 3. Then m cube x raised to power n raised to power 7. So 3 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the highest sum of the degrees is 10. So the degree of this is 10. Now classify it as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Now quadratic linear polynomial means the degree is 1. Then quadratic means the degree is 2 and cubic means the degree is 3. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1, the degree is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. 5p, the degree is 1, so it is a linear polynomial. Then root 2y minus half, it's a linear polynomial. M cube plus 7m square plus 5 by 2m minus root 7, degree is 3, so it's a cubic polynomial. A square, the degree is 2, quadratic polynomial. 3x raised to power cube, it's a cubic polynomial. Now write the following in the standard form in the descending powers of x. Now m cube plus 3 plus 5m. Standard form is m cube plus 5m plus 3. Means you have to just write it in a descending powers of the given variable. Got it? Then write the coefficient form of this here. Coefficient form means here you have to first write down it in the standard form. X cube minus 2 is there. So the terms containing x square and x is not there. So those terms you will write down by taking the coefficient 0. X cube plus 0 x square plus 0x square plus 0x minus 2. Then just write down the coefficient in the bracket. 1 0 0 minus 2. Then 5y plus 0. Coefficient form will be 5 and 0. Then 2m raised to power 4 minus 3m square plus 7. So this is 2m raised to power 4 plus 0m square cube minus 3m square plus 0m plus 7. So the coefficient form will be 2 0 minus 3 0 7. Then minus 2 by 3, only constant term is there, so the coefficient form will be minus 2 by 3. Then write it in the index form 1 2 3. So total 3 coefficients are there. So the degree is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the index form will be x square plus 2x plus 3. Then 5 0 0 0 minus 1. So total 5 coefficients are there, so the degree will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. So the index form will be 5x raised to power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0 plus 0 x square plus 0x minus 1. Then minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2. Number of coefficients is 4. So you will get degree is 4 minus 1, that is 3. So the index form is minus 2x cube plus 2x square minus 2x plus 2. Now write in the boxes quadratic polynomial, binomial, and cubic polynomial. So just in the boxes you have to fill up and write down. Now we know that the quadratic polynomial means the degree is 2 and binomial it is